What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of A13. My battery's about to die, so I'm just gonna try to do this match. Let's do this. Let's do this. What? Why are we upside down? I'm the special referee and I'm Triple H. Oh, right, I forgot the rocks in this one. Stupid chair. Hate this chair. It's the chair I do when I practice my drums on. I'm the ref. I am the ref. I am the ref. I can do anything I fucking want. Wait, can I get some chairs or something and beat them all down? Please tell me I can. Oh, yeah. Bam! 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 Yay! Yay! Good job! Yay! Woohoo! Yay! Nice match. Go! Come on, you okay? What you doing? What are you doing? Pedigree mother! Let's do this! Bam! Break your neck.
He's in a league of his own. After all of these shots to the head, I've got a feeling that soup's gonna be on it.
Yeah, will. 1, 2. Hey! What are you doing? What are you doing? Get out of here! Get out of here!
Countered by the Texans. And the referee has suddenly made this into a handicap match. Austin.
Yeah, I said to stop. I'm taking out the rock. Come on, give me my chair, man.
Let's hope they stay out of the action to keep things fair. Austin squeezing
Come on.
down on the head.
Come on, rock.
Referee has seen enough. Who's in charge of keeping order in there? One hitting pitch. Man, this has been a great match. The quick kick.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
I can't say I'm surprised by that. Stone Cold just doesn't stop attacking.
Give me that.
Gosh, there's no telling how much damage that did. And here's a cover. And he makes it out of it.
Hey, what are you doing?
Get the blood flowing to his brain.
No, we're gonna let him. We're all gonna die now.
He hits it with some poor athleticism. And did you hear the impact on that kick? It's amazing what Sin Cara can do in that ring. Wow! The referee may be good. Oh man, this isn't right. Wait a minute. You're supposed to be a ref. Well, it looks like the great one has come here tonight to lay up the smackdown. Bam! He's wearing down the midsection. Oh, and he lands that one right to the head. And that series ends in
Guys, my battery died. Oh man. Okay. Guys, I'll put as much as I can. I'll just get disqualified.
Stop the match. I said stop the match.
What?
This is special guest referee are no longer required.
You sound gross. No, I'm fired. No, I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving this. I'm not leaving. I'm coming back in there. I'm coming back. Bang! Bang!
Oh my, what a flurry of kicks.
Get up.
Nobody electrifies the WWE Universe like The Rock. From behind. Austin into the headlock. Triple H is eliminated. Oh, mama.
Fine, I don't want to be in this match anyway. Jeez. Okay, see you guys, and you know, subscribe and leave a like down there. It will help out a lot. See you guys.